everyone and welcome to Programming Kids. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do a colorful spiral. So what are you waiting for? Grab your notebook or a cup of tea and let's get started. So first we have to search for idle Python. Enter. So that's idle Python. So we're going to press file and view file. And right now we're going to name our file. I'm going to name it as hashtag spiral python.py. So Python ignores it completely. It's only for you to identify. And right now we're going to type import title. So it's a mini title used to draw graphics. Enter, and right now we're going to type t equal title dot pen. So it's for the title to hold the pen. Enter, and right now we're going to type t dot speed. So it's for the title to draw fast, not slow. And right now we're going to type the colors. So colors equal to, so let's say red, comma, space and quotation. We say kind of yellow and comma pink, and the last color we say kind of green. And brackets and enter. And right now we're going to type 4x in range 100. That's the size of the title. Enter. So to tell Python that these are the list of the colors, we're going to use the t.pin color function. So let us type t.pin color space and colors. So we typed colors and then brackets and then x. So this is, wait, sorry. So this is called the module. This is called module space and then 4 brackets and enter. And right now we're gonna type t dot forward to. That's for the tree to move forward. Enter, and right now we're gonna type t dot left 89. That's for the turtle to move left 89. So right now we're gonna save it as, so save as, and so I'm gonna save it as hashtag file python.py. Enter. So right now we're gonna run module. Wow, that's so amazing. It has like 4 colors: green, pink, yellow, and red. That was cool. So that's for this video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. So, and bye for now.